हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 20 एंड 21 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs को थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, जिनके आंसर्स आप कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which Indian oil refinery has been sanctioned by the European Union? And the answer is Naira Refinery. Second question. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority by the central government? And the answer is Nitin Gupta. Third question. Which country was officially declared free of trachoma by the World Health Organization in July 2025? And the answer is Senegal. Fourth question. Who designated the Resistance Front as a terrorist group? And the answer is United States of America. Fifth question. Where did Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal inaugurate India's International Movement to United Nations Conference 2025? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Sixth question. When is National Flag Day celebrated in India? And the answer is 22nd July. Seventh question. The world's first AI model to read and convert ancient Modi script into Devanagari has been developed by whom? And the answer is IIT Roorkee. Eighth question. The book titled Believer's Dilemma, Vajpayee and Hindu Right's Path to Power has been written by whom? And the answer is Abhishek Chaudhary. Ninth question. Where has India's first creative tech institute been established? And the answer is Mumbai. 10th question. Which nation becomes the first with 4 women in the FIDE World Cup quarters? And the answer is India. 11th question. Which state government decides to launch a special program, Shakti Shri, to ensure the safety of girl students in college and universities? And the answer is Odisha. 12th question. Neetu Chandra and Kranti Prakash Jha were appointed by the Election Commission of India as sweep icons for which Indian state? And the answer is Bihar. 13th question. What is the rank of India in the 57th International Chemistry Olympiad 2025 held in Dubai, UAE? And the answer is 6th. 14th question. Which of the following states is hosting its first Indian Open Athletics meet on 19th July 2025? And the answer is Bihar. 15th question. Recently, the United States deported immigrants from 5 countries to which African nation? And the answer is Eswatini. 16th question. Poshan Tracker app was launched by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Women and Child Development. 17th question. What is a protostar that was recently seen in news? And the answer is a cloud of dust orbiting a planet. 18th question. Which country virtually hosted the 4th BIMSTEC Disaster Management Exercise 2025? And the answer is India. 19th question. Mount Kilimanjaro, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? And the answer is Tanzania. 20th question. Central Adoption Resource Authority is a statutory body under which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Women and Child Development. 21st question. Trade Connect e-platform is an initiative of which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. 22nd question. Which initiative of Kerala was recently recognized by the UNICEF as a global best practice in responsible educational technology? And the answer is Kerala Infrastructure and Technology for Education. 23rd question. What types of missiles are Agni and Prithvi, which were recently successfully test fired at Chandipur, Odisha? And the answer is short range ballistic missiles. 24th question. Economic census in India is conducted by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. And the last 25th question. Where will the 56th International Film Festival of India be held in November 2025? And the answer is Goa. तो ये थे 20th and 21st जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 25 करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, द पवाना रिवर दैट वाज रिसेंटली सीन इन न्यूज इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, जैवलिन एंटी टैंक गाइडेड मिसाइल इज डेवलप्ड बाय विच कंट्री? थर्ड क्वेश्चन, विच इज द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल स्टूडेंट सिटी in QS 2026 rankings? Fourth question, who won under 18 boys title at Junior National Rugby Sevens Championships 2025? And the last fifth question, Nelson Mandela International Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।